Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how I make delicious Ugba or Ukpaka sauce. Stay tuned. Before I start preparing the sauce, I'll start by cooking my yam. You can enjoy this sauce with boiled or roasted yam, plantain, potatoes. To prepare the sauce, I'll start by slicing the scotch bonnet. After slicing the scotch bonnet, I'll cut the onion into smaller pieces. Preheat the pot. I'll be adding the palm oil into the preheated pot. I'll add some salt and also add the sliced onion and scotch bonnet. I will fry for about 1 minute. While the onion and scotch bonnet is frying, I'll add a stock cube. Then I'll stir. I'll allow to continue frying. Then I'll be adding the oil bean, that's the Ugba. Stir. Stir so that everything will mix together. I'll be adding crayfish to this. This is optional if you don't like crayfish. Then I will stir again. I'll be using utazi leaf for this. If you don't like the bitter taste of utazi leaf, you can skip it too, but utazi leaf gives this a special taste too. You can taste for salt and turn off the heat. The Ukpaka sauce is ready.